When it comes to awning windows Fayetteville installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, choosing the right professionals is crucial. Fayetteville window experts offer top-notch services, ensuring that your awning windows Fayetteville are installed with precision and care. Whether you're looking for custom awning windows Fayetteville or energy-efficient awnings, Fayetteville, Arkansas Window Installation Services have you covered. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, these experts provide the best awning windows Fayetteville solutions Fayetteville, Arkansas has to offer. Awning windows Fayetteville installation is an essential service for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your windows. Fayetteville, Arkansas window installation experts specialize in fixing any issues that may arise with your awning windows Fayetteville. From minor installations to major overhauls, these professionals ensure that your windows are in perfect working condition. Trust Fayetteville, Arkansas Window Installation Services to keep your awning windows Fayetteville looking and functioning like new. Energy-efficient awning windows Fayetteville are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide excellent insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Fayetteville, Arkansas energy-efficient windows not only help you save on utility bills but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. Consider upgrading to energy-efficient awning windows Fayetteville to enjoy these benefits. Custom awning windows Fayetteville offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance. With a variety of styles and materials available, you can create a look that perfectly complements your home's architecture. Fayetteville, Arkansas custom window solutions provide endless possibilities for design, ensuring that your awning windows Fayetteville are as unique as your home. Explore the options for custom awning windows Fayetteville to enhance your home's curb appeal. Vinyl awning windows Fayetteville are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners. Known for their low maintenance and long-lasting performance, vinyl awning windows Fayetteville are a popular choice in Fayetteville. These windows offer excellent insulation and are available in a variety of styles to suit any home. Trust Fayetteville, Arkansas window contractors to provide high-quality vinyl awning windows Fayetteville that meet your needs. Aluminum awning windows Fayetteville are another excellent choice for homeowners seeking durability and style. These windows are lightweight yet strong, offering a sleek and modern look. Fayetteville, Arkansas window contractors specialize in aluminum awning windows Fayetteville, providing expert installation and maintenance services. Consider aluminum awning windows Fayetteville for a contemporary and durable window solution. Awning windows Fayetteville upgrades can significantly enhance the functionality and appearance of your home. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency or update the style of your windows, Fayetteville, Arkansas Home Window Services offer a range of upgrade options. From new hardware to advanced glazing, these upgrades can transform your awning windows Fayetteville and improve your home's overall value. Awning windows Fayetteville installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is a service that requires expertise and precision. Fayetteville window experts are well-versed in providing top-notch awning windows Fayetteville installation services, ensuring that your home benefits from the best in design and functionality. Whether you're looking for custom awning windows Fayetteville or energy-efficient awning windows Fayetteville, our team is equipped to handle all your needs. Fayetteville, Arkansas window installation services are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your awning windows. Fayetteville Awning Windows Fayetteville Installation is a specialized service offered by Fayetteville Window Services, ensuring that any issues with your windows are addressed promptly and efficiently. Our Fayetteville, Arkansas window installation experts are trained to handle a variety of window types, including vinyl awning windows Fayetteville and aluminum awning windows Fayetteville. Energy-efficient awning windows Fayetteville are a popular choice for homeowners in Fayetteville, Arkansas, looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Fayetteville, Arkansas energy-efficient windows are designed to provide superior insulation, helping to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Our energy-efficient awning windows Fayetteville are available in a range of styles and materials, including vinyl and aluminum, to suit your specific needs. Custom awning windows Fayetteville offer a unique opportunity to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. With a variety of awning windows Fayetteville styles to choose from, you can create a look that complements your home's architecture. Fayetteville, Arkansas custom window solutions are tailored to meet your specific design preferences, ensuring that your new awning windows Fayetteville are both functional and visually appealing. Fayetteville, Arkansas window replacement experts are dedicated to providing high-quality awning windows Fayetteville replacement services. Whether you're upgrading to new awning windows Fayetteville or replacing old, inefficient windows, our team is here to help. We offer a wide range of awning windows Fayetteville features, including energy-efficient designs and custom finishes, to enhance the beauty and performance of your home. Awning windows Fayetteville maintenance is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Fayetteville, Arkansas awning windows Fayetteville maintenance services include regular inspections, cleaning, and installations to keep your windows in top condition. Our awning windows Fayetteville specialists are experienced in maintaining all types of awning windows Fayetteville, from vinyl to aluminum, ensuring that your investment is protected. Fayetteville, Arkansas window contractors are your go-to source for all your window installation and replacement needs. Our awning windows Fayetteville contractors are skilled in providing a wide range of services, from awning windows Fayetteville installation to replacement services. With years of experience and a commitment to quality, our team is dedicated to ensuring that your awning windows Fayetteville are installed and maintained to the highest standards.